Hey, good morning, everybody. We're out here with the tank again, and I've shortened the mounts on it because it hung too low underneath the bus. So, took about 3 inches out of that mount, tightened that up real close there. Here too. So it still mounts into the same holes on this plate, and also put a 1x1 square tubing on the end there, and welded that thing on there nice. So this plate's gonna still mount the same way it did under the bus, only the reason I put this on here is because the two cross beams I'm mounting this to are uneven. One of them's 7/8 of an inch higher than the other one, and I couldn't find any tubing that was 7/8 of an inch, so I had to go with 1 inch here, but that's not going to be a problem. So I'm going to bolt this thing back together now, and I'm going to go test fit it one more time, and I'll take you guys along with that. We'll see how it fits now. Okay, and did I mention this is episode 40? This is the beginning of episode 40. Okay, I'll see you guys in a second here. Well, I got the tank in there. I got it in place. Got me a little curiosity guy there, right there. Hey, buddy, what are you doing, huh? So it sits quite a ways under there now. I'm a lot happier with that. Hey, pup, you checking it out, huh? Yeah. What's your name? He just come by, visit me. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, so there it is. I think it fits in there a lot nicer. And I put the hinge on this this door here. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, pups. And see, it closes in there now, and you can't hardly see it. I put a short strap on there because this has a curvature. Let me find it. This has a slight curvature to it, so I couldn't put a full length one on there because it would make it bind. So I had to use a little bit shorter one. But I put this latch up here. This is like just a flip latch, see? So when you open this door, you hook the flip latch to it and it holds it open. And there it is. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get that welded into place now. I'll take you around back and show you the difference. See how it sits under the body quite a bit more? I think that's a lot better. Keep that dude out of the way. Okay, I'll get back with you in a minute. Hey campers, I've got the area all prepped out right here for the welding. I got all the undercoat scraped away and I got it down to bare steel. Then I've got the other two mounting areas right here all cleaned up. And I'm going to get ready to run the bus around front. And that's where my welder is. And I'm going to weld this dude on there. Oh, I kind of changed the plan again. See these little guys right here? These stainless steel hooks? Here, I'm laying on the ground right now, so I'm looking up here. So, release that latch there, and I put these little hooks, and they're spring loaded. So, you hook them on like that, then clip them. And look at the tightness. Now I'll get this one down here. Spring loaded again. Then yeah, that doesn't even move. So I think going down the road, you know, all the flexing in the world's not going to pull that apart. Famous last words, huh? But anyway, welding's next. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey, it's a beautiful sunny morning out here in front of the shop. You guys have to put up a little bit of road noise here, but I'm going to go ahead and get busy welding today. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got the tank on the ground. I've got my jack, got the door open, ready to go. Got my trusty fire extinguisher there. That's very important, especially when you're welding under a bus that has undercoating on it. And I'm going to be using this Miller XP 130. It's a MIG welder, 110 unit, and it's plenty strong enough for welding that plate on right there. But checked my gas, got good gas. Got my helmet there. The only thing I see I'm missing is a little bit more protective equipment, so I'm going to go dig me up a pair of welding gloves and maybe some good eyewear. And then we're going to get that into position there and get it welded in. So I'll get back with you after I found my extra safety equipment and I have this thing put up in place and ready to weld. Then I'll bring you along and show you what I'm doing. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, here we go. The wind's blowing my gas around a little bit. You know, it got to have a shielding gas to go over the arc, and it's making it a little bit difficult, but got that part of it done anyway. Boy, it's hard to get a good angle on this. Hey guys, it's in. No third-degree burns. What more can I ask for? Yeah, the wind gave me a little bit of problems, and been a little bit rusty over the years too. I haven't welded up till just recently here in the last maybe a dozen years. So yeah, there's a little bit more of a learning curve there that I remembered, you know. And but it's in there, and it's in there solid. And I kind of want to talk about what I did here too. You know, I took and cut brackets off of a tank and welded near, you know, the tank, right at the very top of the tank. Please don't Sorry, ran out of space there. I had to find me some more free space. But what I was going to say is, please don't do what I did here to a used tank, because that's not safe. You know, this was a brand new tank, never had propane in it before. Keep that in mind. Don't try to copy anything that I did here on a used tank. You could be, you could die. Okay, so just don't do it. All right, so I've got it in, and I'm going to go ahead and get cleaned up here. And thanks for coming along on this little project. And I'll see you on the next one.